XSR-700 features retro-influenced bodywork, a stepped seat and classic-style headlights and taillights. It's easy to ride in all conditions, from twisties and turns to heavy city traffic. The XSR-700 combines Yamaha's world-class engineering with timeless styling, creating a new kind of machine for riders seeking an authentic, honest motorcycle that doesn't compromise on performance. It's powered by a Euro 5 compliant 690cc engine. Refining the XSR-700's rideability, it still delivers fun with its versatile engine performance. The XSR-700's character is defined by the powerful combination of a lightweight, agile frame and the torque-rich, fun-to-drive CP2 engine. The compact twin-cylinder engine delivers a unique power character with excellent torque and throttle response. It also features a 270-degree crankshaft that delivers linear torque development in response to rider throttle input. A heritage-inspired round LED headlight delivers modern lighting performance with classic styling, while an integrated headlight is connected to the fork shrouds for a compact frontal expression and sleek appearance. The color scheme is influenced by iconic motorcycles from Yamaha's rich history. The XSR-700 is a true heritage machine, earning its stripes on the road. At the heart of this machine is its versatile character. Featuring the latest engine and chassis designs and utilizing advanced electronic control technology, the XSR models deliver a truly unique riding experience. The narrow frame design features sport-oriented geometry for light, agile handling, aided by a minimal 410-pound wet weight and refined ergonomics. The XSR-700 delivers incredible, confident stopping power thanks to modern brake components and a 298mm front disc backed by the safety of ABS.